I will now demonstrate some yogasanas which one can practice. Left knee is bent up to ankle, right knee should be kept straight, and the right foot should be flat on the ground. Left foot should be in straight line with the middle of the right foot. Repeat for the other leg as well. Same instructions are applicable for Virabhadrasana too as well. Make sure the elbows and the back are straight and not bent. People with knee pain should avoid this and Malasana or do it under the guidance of a teacher. Push your knees out with your elbows with heels touching the ground. This is my small attempt to do Bakasana. For complex asanas such as this, always consult an expert. People with knee pain or a hernia or vertigo should not practice Ushtrasana. In the next, Shalabhasana, one may experience difficulty in breathing, which is natural. Also, knee should be straight and not bent in Shalabhasana. It is very important to hold the asanas for as long as one can to reap maximum benefits. The next, Sarvangasana, is known as the queen of asanas as it has immense benefits. This should not be practiced by women during periods. Neck needs to be relaxed and weight should be on the elbows during Sarvangasana. Like Sarvangasana, the neck should be very relaxed in Halasana. In the next, Baddha Konasana, the knees should touch the ground and you will notice that I have not been able to do this asana properly. Indian cobblers rarely get kidney and prostate problems as they sit in this asana for a long time. Right way of doing this has been shown by Nakul. Try and take Sukhasana while drinking water or eating food as it aids digestion. This asana should be preferred over sitting on a chair. In Vajrasana, shoulders should be relaxed. Spine becomes automatically straight. Vajrasana and Virasana are two asanas which can be performed right after eating your meal as well. Siddhasana is preferred by yogis to meditate for a long duration. It is useful in increasing concentration. Students will benefit if they study sitting in Siddhasana. Padmasana is a level higher than Siddhasana and has even more benefits.